Are you looking to keep your Gmail inbox organized and clutter-free? In this video, I will show you how to hide chats and emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC with the new update. First, open gmail.com on your browser. Then, from the top bar, click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. Click on Open All Settings to get to the settings page. Next, click on the Labels section on the settings page. Here, you will see a list of all the labels in your Gmail account. Find the label that contains the chats or emails you want to hide. Once you have found the label, click on it to expand the options. Look for the option to hide chats within the label, and click on it. This will hide the chats or emails within that specific label from the label list on the left side of your Gmail inbox. By following these simple steps, you can easily hide chats and emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC. Keep your inbox organized and clutter-free with this useful feature. Thank you for watching.